Hello everyone. Let's talk about AI and jobs. Imagine a future where AI changes our work. But will it help us or take our jobs?
I think AI will change jobs, not take them. We will do tasks differently, but humans will still lead. What do you think, Ryan?
I'm not sure. Automation might affect jobs like factory work a lot. How do we make sure people don't get left behind, Sonia?
Learning and training are important. We need to prepare people for tech jobs. It is a big challenge, but also a great chance.
These changes do raise questions. Is the world ready for these changes? AI is changing jobs now. It's not just about losing jobs, but changing them. What changes do you see, Guy?
AI is making us think differently about work. Simple tasks are done by machines, but creative jobs are growing. How is this affecting different places, Ryan?
Healthcare and finance use AI to be faster but worry about trust and right use. Sonia, how do we use AI well and keep it safe?
We need to use AI carefully and follow rules. If we use it right, AI can help us do more and better work. Are we ready to manage this, Michelle?
That's important. Everyone, from makers to users, must help. But what if some places don't catch up? AI is changing jobs in data analysis and customer support. Are these sectors ready for big changes, Guy?
AI is changing customer service a lot. Chatbots answer easy questions, and humans solve hard problems. But will jobs change or go away, Ryan?
Retail and transportation are changing too. Robots can work in warehouses, but people manage things. How can we adapt, Sonia?
Training is important. We've adapted before, like in the Industrial Revolution. Now we need tech skills. Are we ready for this change, Michelle?
History shows we adapt, but it's hard for some areas. How can we help them, Guy?
Governments and leaders need to make better plans and offer education. Change is hard, but with help, it's possible. What do you think, Brian? AI can make new jobs we haven't thought about yet. Look how social media was not known before, and now millions work in it. Can AI make similar changes in new areas, Michelle?
It might. But new jobs come with new problems. How do we mix innovation with keeping jobs safe, Ryan?
We need to focus on learning new skills all life. Governments can reward companies to train their workers. Sonia, do you think this can work everywhere?
Yes, but each place needs its own plans because of their economy and culture. Countries working together can help this. Can we build such global teamwork, Guy?
Sure. With partnerships and sharing info, everyone can gain. AI's potential is huge if we work together. What's our next move, Michelle?
Let's talk about learning new skills. With AI changing, workers need to learn new things. Are we teaching them enough, Guy?
We need more programs. Training should never stop, like learning forever. It's like changing from horses to cows before. Ryan, how do we keep it important?
We can help with personal learning. Online sites have courses for all, but not everyone can access them. Sonia, how do we make it for everyone?
Partnerships with companies, schools and governments are important. They can make programs to fit local needs. Can communities help with these, Michelle?
Yes, with the right help. As we change with AI, we must remember our values. It's not just about tech, but people too. How do we keep this balance, Guy? AI affects jobs a lot. Some jobs go away, others change. How does this impact our communities, Guy?
It can hurt local economies, especially where routine jobs are common, but it can also help when new industries start. Brian, how do communities get creative?
Neighborhoods often help each other. We see new co-working spaces and tech hubs. It's about finding new uses. Sonia, can these ideas work everywhere?
Only if they fit local cultures and resources. Teaming up globally can help share plans. Michelle, how do we include everyone during these changes?
By making sure people join in planning. Everyone should have a say. As AI grows, we must put people first. Is that possible, Guy? AI makes us think about our values again. How do we make sure AI doesn't hurt our connections, Guy?
We must care about empathy and support, not just being fast. Communities must connect well. Ryan, how can tech help this?
Use AI to make social interactions better, events, learning places. Tech should bring us together, not apart. Sonia, can we do this all around the world?
Yes, if we make AI fit local needs and also help global sharing. We must create new things together. Michelle, how do we make sure everyone in the world is included?
How can we make sure rules protect workers and still let technology grow, Guy?
We need rules that encourage new ideas and keep jobs safe. It's like building bridges before problems come. Ryan, how do we handle this with urgent needs?
Governments can give tax breaks to companies that retrain workers. Schools must focus on teaching for a lifetime. Sonia, can these changes work everywhere?
Yes, but working together is important. Countries need to create flexible plans together. Michelle, how do we solve local problems?
We must include everyone. Everyone should be part of planning. AI growth should not ignore human values. Guy, how can rules help keep these values? The future of AI in 2050 is not just about new ideas. It's also about what we care about. As technology gets better, how do we keep our human connection, Guy?
We need to mix caring with technology. AI can make social interactions better, but we must focus on real connections. Ryan, how could focusing on caring change society?
Focusing on caring means making AI help with community and learning. Everyone in the world should work on this. Sonia, how can we make this happen everywhere?
We should adapt AI to local cultures and share knowledge globally. It's about creating together. Michelle, how do we make sure everyone is included?
Inclusion starts with hearing different voices in planning and rules. AI's growth must match what people need. Guy, how do rules help balance this? As we finish, we've talked a lot about AI and jobs. We need a balanced plan that matches human values. How can we focus on both empathy and technology equally, Guy?
When we design AI that leaves room for human connection, we can grow empathy. Focusing on community can change how we use tech. Ryan, what is the community's role in this?
Communities can shape AI to match shared values. Spaces for working together and cultural events with AI are important. Sonia, how do we make sure cultural exchange comes first?
Supporting local AI versions makes sure it honors cultural identities while helping exchange. We must plan for different needs. Michelle, could different input in planning make this stronger?
Yes, inclusion is important. As AI grows, keeping people first will make sure growth stays balanced. Let's end with making sure tech and humanity move forward together.